Manipulating SAS datasets. Though we have already learned some ways of manipulating data in a SAS dataset, but here we will cover more than what you already know. That is, reducing the number of observations in a SAS dataset, reducing the number of variables in a SAS dataset, creating or modifying a variable, changing a variable's attribute, creating an accumulator variable, assigning values conditionally. Let us see them one by one. Reducing the number of observations in a SAS dataset. There may be a situation when you would like to make your dataset shorter. That is, you want to exclude some observations from your SAS dataset for analysis purpose. Like any other programming, there are many different ways of doing that, but we will here discuss the most common ways. That is, if then delete statement, or by use of subsetting if statement. As here you can see that I have used if then delete statement. Here I have written if MWHS value is 25, then delete that observation. It will tell SAS to exclude that particular observation from the output dataset in case if condition is true. As here you can see that in output dataset we are not getting any observations correspondingly where MWHS value is 25. Now in the second case you can see that I have used subsetting if statement where I have written if MWHS value is less than 22. It will tell SAS to include the specific observations in our output dataset in case if condition is true. As here you can see that we are getting the observations only where MWHS value is less than 22. Now this slide is only for your understanding purpose so that you can compare these three tables and understand the use of if then delete statement and subsetting if statement in comparison to the original output. Since I want you to score well for your base SAS examination, so there is a little tip. I suggest you to take one separate blank sheet for every data manipulation methods, since we will be covering more new methods for data manipulation as well as we go through this course, and I want you to start preparing the notes for that so that it becomes easy for your revision. That's it. See you in next lecture. Thanks.